Good morning everyone. Today let's have the revision class of chapter 3 and 4, which both chapters are based on MS Word. So let's start with the topic editing the text.
We can make many changes in our text document. So making all these changes in a document is called editing. Before making any changes to the text, it is very important to select that particular text. So suppose here we have to make changes in this particular text, we have to select it first. Then only it is possible to make changes. Okay. So the selected text is highlighted in blue. Here you can see I have selected this sentence and it is highlighted with a light blue color. And the empty space at the left hand margin of the text is known as selection bar. Here you can see this area. This is the left hand margin of the text. Here we can see this is the margin. Okay, this is the margin at the left hand side. So the space to the left side of the margin is known as selection bar. So this area is known as selection bar. Okay, so the selection bar has an important role in the case of selecting the text. So all should keep in mind what is selection bar. We can quickly select the lines, paragraphs or the whole document by using this selection bar. And it is possible to select the text by using both mouse and also keyboard. So now we are going to discuss how we can select the text by using mouse and also keyboard. So first let's discuss how we can select the text by using mouse. We can select any part of the text by dragging the mouse over it like this. We just want to click here and drag the mouse. Like that we can select a complete text or a part of the text. And also we can select different part of the text by just clicking on the text as we are going to discuss now. So first we are going to discuss how we can select a single word. Here we can see Kerala is given here. It's a single word. Suppose we need to select this single word, we have to just double click on anywhere of that particular word. Okay. So on this word we just want to double click. Then we can select that single word. So we can select a single word by double clicking anywhere on that particular word. Okay. Second one, suppose we need to select a line of text. Suppose this is a line of text. Suppose we have to select the complete line. We have to click on the selection bar. Okay, here we have studied this is the selection bar. So we have to click on the selection bar to the left of the line. Okay, selection bar is in the left side. So just on the selection bar we have to click. Then we can completely select that whole line. We just want to click on the selection bar to the left of the line. Always click on the left of the line in the selection bar. Next one, suppose we need to select a paragraph. If we want to select a paragraph, we have to triple click anywhere on the paragraph. Now we can see a paragraph here. This is a paragraph. Suppose we need to select this paragraph, we have to triple click anywhere on the paragraph, or it is possible to double click on the selection bar also. So now I am going to triple click on the paragraph. Okay, anywhere. Just triple click on the paragraph. Okay, this is how we can select a paragraph. Or in the selection bar, we just want to double click. Then also we can select the complete paragraph. And suppose we need to select the entire document. Entire document means what all things we have written in a document, that completely we can select by triple click anywhere on the selection bar. This is the selection bar. So we just want to triple click here. Okay, just triple click. Then we can select the entire document. The complete document we can select. So now we studied how we can select the text by using mouse. We can select a single word, a line of text, a paragraph and also the entire document by using the mouse. Okay, Next, we are going to discuss how we can select the text by using keyboard. Okay, now we are going to study how to select the text by using keyboard. Suppose the cursor is here. Okay, cursor is here and we want to select one character to the right of the cursor. Okay, now cursor is here. So, to the right of the cursor we can see lot of letters are there. Suppose we need to select only one character to the right of the cursor, which means the T. T is the character to the left of the cursor. Okay, the first character. So, we need to select only T. For that, we have to click the shift button and also right arrow key. Okay, just click the keyboard shift button, then press on the right arrow key. Okay, if we are clicking again on the right arrow key, we can select the next letter also. Okay, how many times we are clicking on the right arrow key, that all letters towards the right side of the cursor we can select. Okay, suppose we need to select the letter to the left side of the cursor, the same process we can continue. Hold the shift button. Instead of the right arrow key, we just want to click on the left arrow key. Okay, you have seen in the keyboard there are 4 arrow keys. Left arrow key, right arrow key, up arrow key and down arrow key. Okay, so based on the position of the letters, we can use either left arrow key, right arrow key, up arrow key or down arrow key along with the shift button. First we need to click on the shift button, then click on right arrow key for selecting the character towards right side of the cursor. And next we are going to discuss how to select one line up. Okay, suppose we need to select one line up. For that, click the shift button and click on the up arrow key. Okay, hold the shift button, then click the up arrow key. Then we can select the complete line on the up side of the cursor. Okay, now I have placed my cursor here and I am going to click on the shift button and also up arrow key. Now we can see the complete line to the up side of the cursor is selected. So in the same way we can select the down line also by using the down arrow key. Suppose we need to select till the beginning of the line. We have to click on the shift button and home key. Just click on the shift button, then press the home key. We can see a home key in our keyboard. Just click on the home key. Now you can see our cursor is here. Okay, suppose we need to select till the beginning of the line. Okay, up to here. For that, click the shift button and home button. Then we can select till the beginning of the line. Okay, suppose our cursor is placed here. I am going to click on shift and home button. Then till the beginning of the line we can select. Like that, our cursor is placed here. I am going to click shift and end key. We can see an end key in our keyboard. Just click on the end key. Then we can select till the end of the line. Okay, and suppose we need to select till the beginning of the document. Okay, the complete documents till the beginning we can select by using shift, control and home key. Okay, we have to click 3 keys together. One is shift button, then control button and home button. If we are clicking these 3 buttons together, we can select till the beginning of the document. So in the same way, we can select till the end of the document by using shift, control and end key. Okay, and the last one is how to select the complete document, the whole thing. Okay, the complete document we can select by using control plus the button A.
In the keyboard, we can use 2 keys for deleting the text. One is backspace key and second one is delete key. So first let's discuss about the backspace key. To delete a character, place the cursor to its right and press the backspace key once. Then we can delete the letters towards the left side of the cursor. Now here you can see whenever I am pressing on the backspace key, all the letters towards the left side of the cursor are deleting. So this is how we can use the backspace key for deleting the characters. And also we can use the delete key for deleting the letters. And we have to place the cursor to the character's left and press the delete key once. Then we can delete the characters towards the right side of the cursor. So we can use both delete key and backspace key for deleting the characters present on the screen. It is also possible to delete a particular word by using the backspace key and also delete key. Now let's check how to delete a word by using these two keys. Here you can see a word fruit. Suppose we need to delete the word fruit by using the backspace key. We have to place the cursor to the right of the word and press the Ctrl and backspace key together. Now you can see the word has deleted. We can also place the cursor to the left of a particular word and press on the Ctrl and delete button together. Then we can delete a word also. So we can use both backspace key and delete key along with the Ctrl button for deleting a particular word. And also it is possible to delete a block of text by using the same. Next we are going to discuss how to use undo and redo. The undo and redo options are available in the Quick Access toolbar. This area is known as Quick Access toolbar. And the first option is undo and the second option is redo. And the undo option is used to cancel the last action done in the document. Here you can see a word Goa and I am going to delete the word by using the backspace key. Now I have deleted the word and whenever I am pressing on the undo, you can see it cancels the last action done in this document. So the word Goa is came. Suppose I am clicking on the redo button again, we can cancel the action of undo command. Now you can see I am going to press on the redo button now and the word Goa is again deleted, which means we have cancelled the action of undo command. This is how we can use the undo and redo command in the MS Word and it is available in the Quick Access toolbar. Okay. Now let's move to the next topic, copying text. Copying means to create a duplicate copy of the selected text. So that first we have to select the text, then only we can apply copy. Okay, and the shortcut key for the copy and paste are Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste. Our next topic is moving text. Moving means to shift the selected text to another location. For that, first we have to select the data which we have to move. After, we have to click on the option cut. Cut is available near to the copy option. Just click on the option cut. After clicking on the cut, we can see the original data will be moved from here. Okay, so the original data is moved from here. Then we have to click on the area where we have to shift the selected text. Then click on the option paste. Now we can see the original data is shifted from one area to another. The shortcut key for cut is Ctrl+X. Okay, it is available in the same clipboard group. And the last topic is spell check. MS Word also help us in identifying the spelling and grammatical mistakes. In this document, you can see some red and green underlines. The spelling mistakes are highlighted with the red wavy lines and also the grammatical mistakes are highlighted with green wavy lines. In the screen, we can see some red and green wavy lines, which means some grammatical and spelling mistakes are there. So this can be identified and checked by using the option called spell check, which is available in the review tab. So for getting the spell check, we have to click on the review tab. And here we have an option called spelling and grammar. Just click on the option spelling and grammar. Okay, so a dialog box will open with a list of suggestions for each highlighted mistake. So in the first box we can see the grammatical and spelling mistakes, and in the second box we can see the suggestions. So the autocorrect option will automatically correct all the spelling at the time of typing. Okay.
Formatting in MS Word 2010. In this chapter, we are going to discuss various formatting features available in MS Word 2010. Formatting means changing the appearance of the text. In a Word document, we can change the design, size and color of a letter, number or symbol. We can also change the arrangement, line spacing or listing style of a block of text in a Word document to make it look presentable. So first let's check what are the different font options available in the font group. So here we can see this is called ribbon. Here we can see lot of tabs and the corresponding groups. So here in the home tab we can see a option called font group. So all the font options are available in this font group. Before discussing about the font options, first we should know what is a character. Each letters, numbers or symbols used in a text document is called a character. Okay, so what all alphabets, numbers or symbols we are using in a Word document, we can commonly call it as character. So a character designed in a particular way is called font. In the font group, here we can see the font list. Okay, lot of lists are here like Times New Roman, Arial, Calibri, etc. So these are many types of fonts. Each font has a different appearance from the other fonts. So whenever we are selecting a font, the appearance of the character will be totally changed. So here we can see lot of font styles. So these are known as font styles. And here we can see the font size list. The font size list of a character is measured in points. So for applying the font style and font size, first we should select the text. Then we can go for the font list for changing the appearance of the text, and also we can either increase or decrease the size of the letters. Okay, so these are the various font styles and font sizes. Okay, so we can make the letters bigger or we can decrease the size of letters by using these options. Okay, so these are the two options first we have studied. And next to that we can see an option called grow font. The grow font option is used for increasing the size of the letters. We can increase the size by the next size on the list. And also one more option is there called shrink font. Shrink font buttons from the font group, we can decrease the size of the letters by the next size on the list. So the first one is called grow font and second one is called shrink font. And here one more option is called font color. To change the font color, we have to select the characters first, then go to the font color option in the font group. Here we can see now we have changed the black color to the brown color. Next to the font color, we can see an option called text highlight color. Just as we mark some important points using a highlighter pen, we can use one option called text highlighter. So for applying text highlighter, first we need to select the text, then go to the option text highlighter. Lot of colors will be available there. So according to our need, we can select the color. Here we can see one option called clear formatting. To remove any formatting applied to the text, we can click on this option called clear formatting. It is also available in the font group of the home tab. Next we are going to discuss about the options bold, italic and underline. Sometimes The text written in the same font is made to look more different by making it bold, italic or underline. So for applying these three options, first we need to select the text. Then we can click on either bold, italic or underline. When we click on the option bold, we will get a text darker than the normal text. And when we click on the option italic, we will get a slanted text. And finally, underline we can use for put a line under the text. Superscript and subscript options available in the font group of the Home tab. Here we can see these are the two options for subscript and superscript. Subscript means the character slightly below the normal text, which is called subscript character, and the character slightly above the normal text is called superscript character. So let's check with an example how to apply subscript and superscript. Suppose I am typing here H2O and the 2 should come just below the normal text. So we have to select the 2 and click on the option subscript. Now you can see the character 2 came just below the normal text. This is how we can apply subscript. And whenever we are using the superscript, here you can see an example, grade 4th. So in the case of 4th, the TH should come just above the normal text. So select the TH and click on the option superscript available in the font group. Now you can see the change. This is how we can apply subscript and superscript options. Now let's check what is bullets and numbers. When we make a list of items, we number the items or put a dot at the beginning of each item for easy reading. In the paragraph group of the Home tab, we have bullets and numbers option available, which is used for putting dot or number just before the items. We can make a list by putting dots or numbers just before it. Here there are three options available for the bullets and numbers. First one is for putting the dot. Second one and third one is used for putting numbers just before the item. Here I have given 3 items in a list and I am going to give bullets and numbers option. Okay. For that, first we should select the list. Okay. We have to select the list and go to the numbered list. Here we can see lot of numbers are there. So we can select any one of the style for the numbered list. Okay, if we are clicking on the none option, we can remove the number list. Okay, so we can select any one of the style for the numbered list. We can also give bullet list for the items. For that, we have to select the items and click on the bullet list option. Okay, in both bullet list and numbered list, there is an option called none. By clicking on the none option, we can remove the list also. Now let's check how to give or apply alignment for the text. Alignment refers to the arrangement of text. There are 4 types of alignments available in the MS Word. First one is left alignment, second one right alignment, third one center alignment and justified. These are the 4 types of alignment available in the MS Word. And the last we are going to discuss about the topic called mini toolbar. The mini toolbar contains the most commonly used commands from the Home tab. When we are selecting something on the screen, we can see a transparent toolbar just above the selected text, which is called the mini toolbar. It looks transparent at first, but when we are moving the mouse cursor over it, it becomes visible. Then we can see almost all options available in the Home tab. Suppose we have to apply some formatting features in the text, we can select from the mini toolbar itself.